Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you what the check marks mean on WhatsApp. The check marks on WhatsApp are a simple yet powerful tool that can give you valuable information about the status of your messages and calls. By observing the color and number of check marks, you can quickly determine if your message has been sent, delivered, read, or not yet delivered. This feature can help you stay on top of your communication game and ensure the intended recipient receives your messages. These check marks are helpful to keep track of your conversations on WhatsApp. Let's see what the check marks mean. When you send a WhatsApp message and see one gray check mark, your message or call has been sent but not delivered to the receiver's phone yet. When the two gray check marks become blue, the receiver has read or listened. If you see two gray check marks, it indicates that the message or call has been delivered to the receiver's phone, but the receiver has not read or listened to it. If you want to see when your message or call was delivered, read, or listened to, you can do so by tapping and holding on your message or call, then tapping on the info option. You can view the read, delivery, listen to, or call from there. If you turn off the read receipts from the WhatsApp privacy settings, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. While you send a message in the group chat, the check marks work separately. A gray check mark next to your message or call indicates that the message has been successfully sent from your device, but has yet to be delivered to all the recipient's phones. When you see two gray check marks next to your message or call, it means the message has been delivered to all the recipient's phones, but has yet to be read or listened to by everyone. When you see two blue check marks next to your message or call, the message has been successfully delivered to all the recipient's phones and read or listened to by everyone. If you want to see when your message or call was delivered, read, or listened to, you can do so by tapping and holding on your message or call, then tapping on the info option. You can view the delivery, read time, read receipts for that specific message, or call from there. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.